You disturb me, nah. Honey, no dey call me. I dey office. Oh, Oga sir, good evening, sir. How work, sir? I dey fine, sir. Everything dey fine, sir. No, I mean health-wise, sir. Regarding the boys, them still dey come up small. No, sir. No be like puff. Yes, sir. I remember our agreement, sir. No, Abba, it's still dey too early to fear relegation. We go bounce back, sir. We just need to blend as a team. No, we no need blending machines, sir. I just need small time to prepare them. Sir, you're a very funny man, sir. I no need gas cooker to prepare them, sir.
Oh my God.
If you give me small time, I go clean up my mess, sir. No be touching and send me, oh. Me and touching and matter don't finish tete. I get vision for this club, and I no go rest until I achieve them, sir. Thank you, sir. I no go let you down, sir. Now, wow, it's like I need to pressure these boys.
That boy inside world wey bonus full yafu so that you go fit enjoy betting. For inside 1xbet, they get the ones where them go give you money back if you deposit with Monnify, Astropay or MoneyGo. Them get the one where them go give you some money back if you don't lose plenty times. Them even get the one for your birthday. You fit also increase your winnings with 1x Wednesday and Lucky Friday promos. Oya, wetin you dey wait? Do go use our promo code JNEXT register so that you go fit get up to 189,000 naira after you deposit your first money. Don't forget to read their terms and conditions for every promo, and always remember to dey bet with sense. Thank you.
I swear, no understand wetin dey worry this team.
I no sure say Kochi sabi wetin him dey do.
But why you go blame Kochi when 100 million wasted effort dey play rubbish?
Shebi na you just call am 100 million wasted effort. Why Kochi still dey play am?
I dey hear una. Wetin we dey talk no be secret na. You dey owe this club 100 million euros in performance. Wetin this one dey talk? You be scam. See this yahoo boy. Who you dey call yahoo boy?
Make una calm down.
But Sterling and some of our other players resemble Yahoo boys.
Moses,
my God.
make I not start with you. It's like Brighton send you come divide this club. This place no be Red Sea.
Why you dey talk like this now?
Go Man United. You go fit see Red Sea divide and carry this one with you.
It's like you dey on colors.
Yahoo boys they normally dey on colors.
I said even you lucky na scam.
Now you be scam.
See wetin dem buy to replace Kante. See wetin Messi use you do for international break.
Haba, make una no dey fight like this now. We need to understand ourselves for us to play better ball.
I no fit for this life understand wetin this scam dey play. The guy resemble ball boy. Chai, Naija boy don scam also. If I be scam, na you be the scammer. You, Gusto, Michael Jackson, Chukwumeka, Disasi, even that Madeke. All of una wey carry hair like Malians.
Wow, this club go fit blend so.
No be everything them suppose blend. Just like that Naija groceries where they carry sand inside. Even if you like add floating berries, chocolate crunchies, white caramel, sucrose and all the other assorted sweeteners. As long as more dey inside, everything don't spoil. Now so sansan you go dey chop. So na me be the sansan wey dey Chelsea. Yes na. You can't be waiting. Chocolate crunches. Your father,
Jesus
my Lord and my God.
Lord.
You may punch. If I beat you finish, ba, you go wish say you go join your fellow countrymen fight war.
Which kind thing come be this one? Kochi, they dey fight for here oh.